Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Wise for international transfers. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. First up, all you're going to do is click on send money right over here. And then since we want to do an international transfer and there are two types of transfer, international same currency. So we're going to click on international. Now let's say you're sending from UK to let's say India. So this one would be GBP or whatever your currency is. It could be euro also, so you can just search for euro and you'll see this will come up. And we want to send it, let's say India, so we're going to select INR, and from there you're going to select how much you want to send. Let's say you want to say like 20 pounds, something like that, and then you're going to continue. Then it's going to ask you details of the recipient, which means the person who is receiving it. So you have to put their account details, and then you're going to review it one last time if all of the details are correct, and finally you're going to pay and confirm, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.